Rocky on my Discord for mentioning some free, really cool AI tools. Let me just set up here. More tickets. So, what was the first one they linked? This one, Aider. So Aider is something that I wanted to make myself, which is actually getting an AI to change existing code towards a goal. Because so far, all the autonomous agents that we've been using have been creating code from scratch or just debugging, but never modifying code towards a goal. So that is really exciting, and I will be testing that out pretty soon. I'll just let some people join, and I'll join myself on my phone. So I was looking at my analytics the other day, and I stream at the worst time for my audience. Now that I'm back in Australia, it's like literally the opposite time to the peak of when my audience gets live. Yo, mini donut coming through on cake. Good to see you. How's it going? Right. Got my stream on my phone. Gonna give it some likes. 20 likes, that's good enough. And yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you. Had a good sleep. So I'm gonna be testing out Ada by Paul Gauthier. It's a GPT-powered coding assistant in the command line that helps you write and edit code with OpenAI's GPT model. You can ask GPT to help you start a new project or modify code in your existing repo. Ada makes it easy to git commit, diff, and undo changes proposed by GPT without copying and pasting. It also has features that help GPT-4 understand and modify large code bases. Yo, Amogus, what's going on? Google extension looks good. Yeah, I mean it's not finished, but yeah, I got the basics working in one day. I still need to make the UI, but I don't think that should be too hard. I'll just copy the UI I have already. Improving GPT-4's code-based understanding with C tags. Okay, what's a C tag? No, it's difficult to use GPT-4 on a large code base. Ada now sends GPT a concise map of your whole Git repository that includes all variable declarations, functions with call signatures. This repo map is built automatically using C tags, which extracts symbol definitions from source files. Oh, I've heard about this. So like it takes all the code and kind of makes these like abstracted tags, I guess. So that like makes it a lot smaller to send to GPT. Let's look at this chat transcript. Create a black box test case. This transcript shows GPT-4 creating a black box test case without being given access to the source code of the function tested. In detail, GPT is able to use the repo map, find the function signature command to add, determine that is a method of the command class. So the test case will need to instantiate an instance to conduct the test. Which website is this? This is aider.chat, which I think is to do with this. So I'm checking out this repository aider, aider, I don't know how to pronounce that. But essentially it's a command line interface that actually edits files for you. But yeah, aider.chat/docs/ctags aider.chat. Thanks for the comment, lol. Yeah, they got a bunch of examples. JavaScript game modification. Maybe we could get it to modify the snake game that GPT engineer built. How cool would that be? So it makes like a Git kind of conflict, would you say? Or merge? So they just run aider without any tags, and then it asks, what is this repo? Oh no, they've asked, what is this repo? And then it responds, based on the files you provided, it seems like repositories for a web-based game, possibly a 2048 clone. The files include JavaScript for logic, HTML, CSS for user interface, and various meta files. How does the scoring work? Wow, this is awesome. This is like something that built-T was wanting to do as well. And something I made a video about, having the AI, being able to chat with an AI about your actual whole code base. And it seems like these guys have done it a lot better than what built-T had done. I don't know. I actually haven't tried built-T in a while, so I won't say anything bad about them. I just want to test this out now. All right, how do we install this? Getting started. See the installation instructions, or you can. So we can use pip to install it. Okay. Let me open up my snake game that GPT engineer made. GPT engineer, was it in here? I think so. I think it was this. So we got CD projects snake. Make this a bit bigger for y'all. Move this. This. Okay. Yeah, GPT Engineer is like this, but GPT Engineer creates code from scratch. It's not able to actually extend the code. So I have this snake game that GPT Engineer built right here. In the workspace. This is the snake game that, I don't know if you've been watching my content, GPT Engineer made this snake game. First try from scratch with 0 bugs. You can actually eat the food and it gets longer. I'm not very good at it. But there's no other scoring, but there's dying. So if you go back into yourself, you die. That's why it quits. So yeah, I want to see if we can ask Aider to implement implement like a visible score number on this. If it can extend the code to get a visible score number, that would be awesome. So I'm going to conda create. When's the last time I did conda create? I'm going to conda create an aider environment with Python 11. Well, it says I'm working on an AI live environment for React. Oh, that's pretty cool. How does it work? I'm going to conda activate aider. Put this, I'll put it here. And okay, now we're in the aider, and then I'll pip install the aider chat. And then I'm going to provide my API key. I'm going to do it like this. Let me go get it. Oh, you have it live? All right, let me check this out. Reactor devs.versal. Put in this API key. Oh, sick. This is like a code pen. How does it work? Can I type something? Make the button red. Sick. Okay, so it just gives you like a chat interface with advice. I'll leave that open if you want to give me some more to test with it. Yo, Mar, good to see you. It should show the code. I mean, it does, but for some reason it's not styling it, I guess. Oh, you can press apply code. Okay, let's try that. Apply code. Seems like there's some issue. Oops. Let's see. I'll see if there's an error for you. Nothing obvious. Maybe I had no session storage. Okay, shit. All right. Still in development, so we'll let you work on it. All right. How do I add this? How do I add this API key? Where was that tutorial here? Aider dash dash open AI dash API dash key, and then my key. Okay. Uh, oh my god, I have to do that every time. That's so stupid. Alright, I'll just have to use this. Oh damn it! Copy the key again. Okay, I've copied the API key. Adam asks, how long have I been coding? Oh, a long time. I started coding Flash games in like primary school when I was, I don't know, like 8 years old or something. Really young. But obviously I wasn't very good then. All right, that was the installation. What about running it? So apparently you just run Aider and that will get the whole repository. What? Oh, I swear to God, I just put in the open API key. That is so annoying, dude. FedEx open AI API key. I did, bro. That's so annoying. All right. Let me see if I can clear this. Did I clear the terminal? Oh my God. Clear. No. Um. All right. Let me try this one more. They had one more way of adding the API key. It was like, where was it? You can add this in your home directory. Um, new file. Call it major.conf. Yes. And we'll open with Notepad. And we'll do this. Add key. Hopefully that'll work. Yeah? No? Oh my god, that's bugged. Alright, whatever. I'll just dox my API key and then I'll change it later. That's fine. Alright, we've got Ada running now on my code base, the snake code base that I've run, that we've had GPT engineer to make. So I think we can ask it like, what is this code base? Or something like this. And then it should maybe say, it's a software project with a variety of components. Okay, it's just listing the files. Wait, which folder are we in? Oh, no, we're in the wrong folder. No, we're not. We're in Workspace. What? So it's looking at the whole project. Okay, let me remove this folder. I don't want it to consider the whole project. I just want this. I'm gonna remove these Aider tags. I'm gonna copy this into a new folder called Snake Game. Paste it in here. And let's open that folder up. On Aider again on this. Conda activate Aider. Okay. No Git repo found. Create one. Oh yes. So Aider actually needs a Git repo. That's probably why it considered the whole thing. Because it like suggests Git conflicts in the way that it or Git diffs in the way that it suggests changes. So what is this code base? We ask it now. Maybe hopefully it'll tell me it's about a snake game. Okay, it doesn't know shit. Maybe because we haven't added anything. What files can you see? Maybe I have to add all the files. Okay, hold on. Git add, git commit, init. All right, let's try that again. What files can you see? Oh, that's the yes. Are we gonna get an infinite loop? Oh my days. I think we have to ignore this file. Which file is this? .aider. So let's create a git ignore. Man, this is annoying. .aider .star, save that. Git ignore, save. Git add, git commit, test 2. All right, third time's a charm. Oh, still. What file is this? A slash. Is it A folder? What the hell? All right, whatever. We're gonna try maybe an existing existing project that has a Git thing already set up. Like, all right, I'm just gonna use Timestamp Genius. Where is Timestamp Genius? Here. All right, this is my web app. I made some changes the other day. Wait, is there still changes? There's actually not that many changes. I'll reset all these changes. Git rest. Reset. And I'll run it so you guys can see what it looks like. And then we'll open up Aider. This is what it looks like, by the way. YouTube timestamp generation with AI. Just input text field. And now, if I run Aider, what is this code base about? Hopefully, it can tell me something useful. Yes, okay, excellent. It's built in Next.js, that's correct. There's also a Chrome extension associated with it, that's correct. It has a dashboard, a navigation bar. It has server-side functions, yep. Okay, that's all correct. Now, sure. Ooh, chat session is larger than a text context window. Oh, let's see if you can do something. Can I be like, change the submit button color to red? Can it do that? Retry. Okay, so I think we added too much shit to the chat history. Let's try that again. Okay. Change the submit button color to red. Yo, I got a message from YouTube. Can we use this in a work organization? Is this private? No. So this is using the OpenAI API. So whatever their privacy things are is pretty much what you'd go by. And I'm pretty sure a lot of organizations don't let you use ChatGPT. So when you do not ask, it can edit files, right? Yeah, that's the whole point. All right, so it's asking which file contains the submit button that you want to. Pretty sure it's in the dashboard. Button in dashboard to red. Color to red. Could you make that read and write? How do I do that? Windows, follow the following steps. Right click properties. Uncheck read only. Okay, let me quickly do that. Where's dashboard? There you go, right click properties. It isn't read only. That's weird. It should be read right. It wants me to submit the code. This is a lot more annoying than I expected. All right, let's find the code here. Oh, it's not even in that. Sorry, it's actually in YouTube input. Done. Oh my god. Still wants to see the code. Here. Okay. I mean, that's pretty simple, but let's see if it does it. Boom. Okay, it worked. The text color is red. It's not exactly what I meant, but I wonder if we can revert the change. Mini Donut asked, do you need GPT-4 access to run this? I think so, at least to run it well. I know a lot of these tools let you run, oh sweet, it was able to revert it. They let you run this stuff with just GPT 3.5, but it's normally nowhere near as good. Cool. So what else could we do with this? I wonder if it can do React code. Yo, user sent 10 roses. Thank you so much, user. Appreciate you. Let's see. I want to do a loading spinner. In dashboard.js, after, can you add a loading spinner after the first fetch call is made? I hope it doesn't need me to like copy paste all the code. It's gonna ask me for the code now. And related to the fetch call, oh, I can do that. But it should be able to do this itself. Yo, Michael, how's the SaaS sales going? It's really slow. I've only got one sale. But I'm changing a lot of things and like releasing a Chrome extension before I go hard on the marketing, so I'm not too annoyed. All right, let's have a look at this code. So it took the original fetch statement and it's made a React hook. That's great. Hopefully at the start of the file. And it initializes set loading to true before the fetch and then set loading to false after the fetch. In this change, spinner is a placeholder for, oh, and it's also made a spinner component. You'll need to import at the top of the file. Please note that this change assumes that you're using React hooks. If this is the case, you're going to allow edits, which was not previously provided. Can I say yes? Okay. Can we be like create the spinner component? Will it be able to do that? Oh shit, it can. Look at that. It's created the whole spinner component. That's really impressive. Okay. Yep, we can add it to Git. Now we have a spinner component. It's put it in the wrong spot. Let's have a look at the changes it's made in fork. Mini Donut says, do you have to provide it with the specific code that you need to edit if you use large files? Yeah, that's been my experience. It keeps asking for the code. Whereas in the demos, it was like, oh, it's actually made the commits. Wow, look, and in the commit messages, it has the whole conversation. That's pretty cool. That is really cool. I should have done this on a separate branch. Because now it's just... it's annoying. Can we look at the change files? Okay, so... you see, it's added the hook in the wrong spot. Same with the spinner. Because it didn't consider the whole file. It only considered the part that I gave it. Quartz asks, if it's not a secret, where do you get the newest info about AI? No, it's not a secret, and I actually don't have like a source. Recently, people have just been coming to me. So these tools, shouts out to Reiki in the Discord. They've actually recommended Ader and a few other ones, which I'll be checking out right after this. So yeah, my Discord is one. Twitter is also where I used to get them before people gave them to me. Is I check Twitter, make sure you're following all the hashtags like, you know, ChatGPT, AutoGPT, all that stuff. Engage in all that. Yeah. And also there's this other site, Insider's Edge. This is a cool site. I think someone on my Discord recommended it to me. Is this it? Yeah. This one has a whole 1,427 AI tools categorized. So if you're looking for something in particular, you can find it here. That's insidersedge.io. Very cool. Discord link. Discord link is in my bio. It should also be in my YouTube. Let me check. Yeah, in my link tree. If you go on my YouTube, bio, there's a link tree link. I think it's the first link, and then my Discord will be in there. Join the Discord, the first one, just in the top here. All links. Okay. Yeah. So unfortunately, I've had some issues with Ader, but I think it's pretty new. Do I still have it open? Let's see. When was this created? I don't know. How do you see when it was created? Damn, it's had 2,000 commits. Well, we'll see all the releases. When was the first release? June 8th. So about a month ago. All this stuff is quite new. Oh yes, to answer your question, Mini Donut, it does have support for GPT 3.5. So you don't need GPT 4, but obviously it would work a lot better if you did. Yeah, it's a very cool project. I have high hopes for it, but at the moment, it does have some limitations with context, it seems. But hopefully, as time goes on, we will get over those issues. So, yeah, shouts out to Reiki again. That was AIder. What is the next one that they've sent? Um, GPT-researcher. So apparently, this helps you do research. Autonomous agent designed for comprehensive online research. They can produce detailed, factual, and unbiased research reports with customization options for focusing on relevant resources, outlines, and lessons. Look at the demo. Should I invest in the semiconductor industry in 2023? He clicks a finance agent and they search the internet. Um, right, with Docker or Python? Should we try it with Python? Let's give it a go. Um, Not one of these. Git clone. GPT-researcher. I'm gonna just use the Ader environment. Pop install. That's not what I wanted. And then we need my API key. You actually need to use set X for that, but we'll see. We will see what happens. Yo, Quartz with the fire gift. Thanks so much. Appreciate you. Well, those are conflicts. Damn it, maybe I needed the separate environment. Alright, we'll make a separate environment. Conda create with 3.11 GPT research. I think I need to use VS Code for this. I do not trust this CMder anymore. GPT-researcher, let's go. All right. Gonna deactivate. Gonna activate GPT-researcher. Pip install requirements. Is that right? I think so. Yes. No such file requirements. Huh? What do you mean? File requirements.txt. Da, 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 da. Okay, and I think I can set my API key. And now apparently we run this with Uvicorn. What? Oh, why does it copy the $sign? Sweet. No. No. It was working for a second. Was WheezyPrint could not import some external libraries. GeoObject. The hell is all this? This is one issue with when like people get you to just install stuff off GitHub. It's like so many errors and issues setting it up. It's so annoying. That's why I much prefer the self-hosted ones, and I'm sure like it's even easier for non-developers. Oh, if you're having issues with WheezyPrint, please visit their website. Okay. Python Pango. What the fuck is Pango? I don't have Pango view. How do we install Pango? Yo, bored by Nick, box by Nick. Trying to use Ada, but it keeps saying that it can't access files. What does it say? My one said make sure that it's read write, and I'd just say that it is because it was. Graphics rendering. Dude, why do they use such weird freaking libraries? The hell is Pango? I've never heard of this shit. Here we go. Chucko install Pango view. Is that a thing? Oh, no. Package is not fine. What about just Pango? Oh, okay. We'll install it through here. This one. this one. This is so weird. Box is saying, as an AI developed by OpenAI, I don't have the ability to access your files. Oh, another thing, Nick, is like make sure that you're in a project with a Git history. That's also something you have to do. So it has like a .git file, and you've committed files to that Git repository before. What the hell is this? Bro. This is why they get me to test these apps, because it's so impossible to figure out how to even run them. Installing Pango Cairo? Yeah, I guess. Wheezy print install. Oh my god, it's 404. Maybe I should have just used Docker. Windows sudo apt-get update. Sudo apt. Really? Is it really just like that? Dude, you can't do sudo. Oh, that's WSL. Of course, and there's no normal Windows. Wow, with Choco. No. What was their Docker install like? Docker compose up. Do I have Docker compose? I do not. What can I install with Choco? Yes. Yes, I maybe can. Okay. Didn't work. Did not work. Damn. I might just skip this. It was too annoying to set up. It makes me want to try, like, as a redemption, we'll try Agent GPT again. I feel like this one is a lot better now since last time we tried it. See, they even have a research GPT. Oh, they need you to sign in now. Sign in with Google, that's fine. All right, research GPT. Create a comprehensive report of what about find new AI tools using GPT released in the last month? What about something like that? In the last month, there have been several recent releases of AI tools using GPT. OpenAI has deprecated GPT 3.5. Users will still be able to use it on their models. It's compiling a list. Now it's filtering the list. I wonder what the output will be. Now it's creating a formatted array of the tools. Nurkom Akhmadov's AI tools. Add creative.ai. At GPT. I love how that's one of the answers. Max loops. And then you summarize the conversation. Okay. And it makes a little report. It's pretty cute. I haven't heard of Nurcom Akademovs. Let's check that out. Oh, it's just the post by this guy. Right. Yeah, these research tools still like aren't nearly as good as a human. Um okay. Alright, I'm gonna put that on hold. Um there was one more that Rocky suggested. It was sweep.ai. Another junior developer. Wonder how hard this is to set up. This one doesn't have too many forks. Many stars. Oh, but it can read your code base and plan a change and make a pull request. That's very cool. Limitations. It can only change less than 200 lines of code. Less than 3 files. Do not include files with more than 1,500 lines of code. So you can add the GitHub bot to a repository. Okay. So we have the small snake repository. I've never actually added a GitHub bot before. Let's see what this is like. GitHub app before, rather. So I'm going to give it access to Small Snake, which is a snake game that a small developer made but didn't really work. I gotta add. I don't know if I should show this. Hold on. Okay, it's added, and it says I need to make. Where was it? Make an issue like this. So if I go into my small, go into my small snake here. Go into my repository of small snake, create an issue. We'll be like sweep in, and okay, we give it the file name. Let's say in snakegame.py. No, what about in gameui.py? Yeah. Okay, this is only 22 lines. Display score. How about we like in 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 gameui.py, make a title text called snake. Ah, shit. Game. I wonder if that'll work. So I'm hoping that when I submit this issue, the sweeper bot will pick it up. Yes. It's added the label sweep. And wow, it's making progress. That's super cool. So step 1, it's searching the code. Dude, this is such a nice workflow as well, because like if I have a code base and I just want someone to, I find a bug or something, I'm on my phone. I don't even need access to like an IDE. I can make an issue, be like, fix this bug in this file. And if I can like explain what it needs to do, it's just like having a junior developer, and boom, it does it. Wow, this is really nice user interface. I really like this. Propose changes. Add a new function called display title. Creates a title text snake game using pygame font render. Call this function and update screen to display the title on screen. Position it at the top center of the screen. Perfect. Step 3 planning. Step 4 coding. So it's making a full PR with a description, the changes made to what files, and testing instructions. Excellent. That is so good. Not even a junior developer would do that. I mean, depends how well you've trained them, I guess. Now it's working on the actual coding part. Really impressed by this user experience. What's this? Install sweep configs. Thank you for installing sweep. We're thrilled to announce the latest. This PR creates a sweep YAML config file, allowing you to personalize sweep's performance according to your requirements. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't think we need that. Oh, it's a pull request into my own database, into my own repository, sorry. That's cool. I think this is optional, but still very cool. It's still coding. I wonder why the coding is taking so long. I hope it doesn't stop. Maybe we need to do this. All right, I'll merge this pull request. That's fine. Unable to complete PR. Try removing and re-adding the sweep label. Aw. How do we do that? Remove sweep. Add sweep. All right, we'll give it one more go. Oh. All right, we'll let this run in the side here, and I'll close this. I think that was it from Raki. Thanks so much for those, by the way. We had some more tools that I wanted to check out. Maybe we can do that. So this is something that I wanted to do myself, was modify Wolverine to be able to extend code. But it's cool that Ader's actually, there's already a project doing that, so that's awesome. I won't have to do that. Simpleshow.com, what's this? Make animated videos in minutes. Sweet, can we start creating? Oh, it broke again. Damn. Well, that's sad. Maybe we can try sweep later, but I really like the user experience of it working through GitHub and picking up issues and submitting PRs. That's like perfect. That's a really good user experience. That's how the development experience should be. So I really like that. It's a shame it didn't actually work. Yo, Nick, I got a message that you said sent, but there's nothing that you've sent. Create a new video. All right. Simple show video maker. I'm going to do the same thing I did for the other one. The timestamp, genius, add. I'll write my own script. Do I have a timestamp script?
Welcome
here?
to the Simple Show Video Maker. Creating a video is divided into 4 simple steps: draft, write, visualize, and finalize. A great script is the basis for a high-quality explainer video. First, choose a storyline template for your topic. It helps you to structure your story and divide it into meaningful chapters. If you want to know which chapters belong to a template, click here. Each template provides you with an individual chapter structure.
Explain your marketplace. Startup, explain a workflow, how to use software. What about how to use software? Check your Discord. Send
Welcome
one
to
more
the
AI.
write stage.
Okay, let's see. Where mini donut? Where did you send it? Suggestions. Oh yes. This one? I remember you sent this actually a while ago. Oh, Jarvis, no, we already looked at this. Is there more? Am I missing something? Directly to me? I don't see it. Oh, Claude. That one? Yes. Actually, yeah, I'll put that in the list. This one's a bit annoying because I'll have to set up a VPN for it, but we can do it. Let me just quickly go through this simple show one. All right. Start with timestamp genius. Automatic timestamp generation for YouTube videos and podcasts. Application area. Come with a character. Tony has long podcasts that cover many subjects. His viewers sometimes are only interested in certain topics. When the video has timestamps, his viewers can skip to the parts they enjoy the most, and it improves the viewer experience overall. Put yourself in their shoes. Easily paste in a YouTube URL and timestamp genius does the rest. Yo, Craig shared the live. Thank you so much, Craig. After the first experience, what can users do more? Nothing. Do we have to do that? Timestampgenius.com to try for free. To use it, go to, okay. Impulse slideshow. All right.
Welcome to the visualize stage. Your script was just...
Oh, it's a basic slideshow. Play video, let's see. That was pretty quick though, but I assume it's going to be really basic.
Timestamp Genius, automatic timestamp generation for YouTube videos and podcasts.
The voice is so shit.
Tony has long podcasts that cover many subjects. His viewers sometimes are only interested in certain topics. When the video has timestamps, His viewers can skip to the parts they enjoy the most, and it improves the viewer experience overall. Just paste in a YouTube URL and Timestamp Genius does the rest. Go to timestampgenius.com to use it for free.
That was pretty shit. I mean, I liked the animations. The voice was terrible. And yeah, like not overly impressed. But it's better than nothing, I guess. It was free. So that was simpleshow.com. All right, Claude. Before I do Claude, let me do Illustroke. Because I can quickly do that probably in Claude. I'll have to set up a VPN. It'll take a while. Illustroke. Vector illustrations from text prompts. Another one similar to Recraft. Oh, actually, I think I've tried this. It wasn't good. Speech bubble in the shape of a brain. I feel like this is like a hard one too. Maybe I should do something simple. Choose the style. Logo. Emoji, full color. No background. Generate. All right, well, that's generating. Did it generate? Is it generating? I need a token. I can get a follow us and send us a message to get a personal. Oh my god, it takes them 20 hours. That's so annoying, dude. All right, whatever. We're skipping that. All right, Claude. So Claude, I think, is from Anthropic, right? Yes, Anthropic. And if I'm not mistaken, Claude has 100,000 token context window. Is that right? Can you imagine that? They went from 9,000 to 100,000 tokens. In comparison, GPT-4's context window, I think, is like something like 30,000. Yeah, 32,000 is the max. So, like, 100,000 is really impressive. That means it can consider like 3 times more stuff than GPT-4. How amazing is that? I don't know if this is Claude 2. But yeah, I mean, Mini Donut has been saying a lot of good things about it as well. The only issue is it's only available in the US and the UK. So we'll have to use a VPN for that. I think I have pure VPN plan. How do I download this? Pure VPN download. So give me a minute while I set this up. The fuck? Their certificates expired, dude. What is this? Pure VN? They linked me to it. Oh my god. Someone's gotta fix their button. Dude, you could really like fuck them up here. Cause look, they've got the wrong address here. purevn.com. Oh my god, like look, purevn.com. I didn't even notice the first time. And then if you go on purevn, you'll see that it's available for sale. So you could buy this domain, get everyone that clicks this button and like scam them. How much is the domain? I'm not suggesting you guys do this, but it's something that could happen. Oh yeah, you just have to pay $5,000 Australian, that's all. I guess I have to log in. Can I download this freaking app now, please? Where? Open app? Hey, yo, can I just do it through the browser? Oh no, here we go. Download. Download for Chrome. Interesting. Okay, let's try that one. Add. Mini Donut says they recommend TunnelBear. It's free. Okay. Well, I'm pretty sure I have an account for PureVPN anyway, so. Just give me a minute to log in. Okay. I logged in. United States connecting. Boom. All right, we're in United States, right? So now I can go into Claude. Are we still? Where's PureVPN? Still in the States. Okay, great. Let's log in. Probably should have refreshed, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Big friend. Yes. Welcome to Claude. It may. Okay. Okay. Make this bigger. Okay. We're in. We're in with Claude. Okay, Mini Donut says that it's really good with coding. And you can upload attachments. Up to 5 files. Let's see if we can do some stuff with the snake game. Alright, so in the snake game I have 4 Python files. I'm gonna upload these here. Nope, that didn't work. I'm gonna press attach. We're gonna find the snake game. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What do these Python files do together? Let's see if it knows. These Python files implement a snake game. Excellent. Already better than Aider. How can I extend these files to add a score, to render a score on the screen that increments every time the snake eats food? Snake eats food. Let's see if it can do that for us. Alright, in game.py, add a font. Excellent. It's giving us the whole Game.py? No, it's not. All right, I'm going to try this. Let's try Claude's suggestions on making this snake game work. First, let's see what the snake game looks like. Originally, it's just like this. You can move around. There's no score. I'm not very good at it either. It's just like the frame rate is like really low. So it's really hard to do like clutch movements like that. Oh, I just did it. So let's see if we can add a score to this snake game. Oh, I'm getting better at this game. I'm gonna keep going till I die. Ah, I missed. Yeah, we're getting longer. Oh. Oh. Dude, I'm a pro at this now. This is the best I've ever done. Actually doing the sharp corners now as well. Alright, that's enough. Okay, so what does it suggest? It suggested that we go into game.py and add this line, self.font equals pygame.font, etc. And in render score, we make a new method called render score. Here. Oh my god, why is the... Is that right? Yeah, okay. New. And in the draw function, we add render score to the line under screen fill. Okay. And then in the update method, we increment the score if the snake has eaten. This. Okay. All right. Apparently that's it. Let's see if that worked. No, we have issues. What's the issue? Font not initialized. So now can we give it the issue and see if it fixes it. Now it's saying we need to do a font.init. Pygame font.init. In the init. Init? Init. Do we even do a pygame.init? We do. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. Will that work? Snake has no attribute eat. Is also an issue. Okay, so it hasn't really considered the whole coding thing too well, but it's still pretty good. I feel like this is better than GPT-4. Like, I don't think you can upload 4 files in GPT-4 and get it to answer questions about it. So that's pretty good. Def eat. Oh, okay. So now it's made a new method in snake.py called eat. And it's saying, oh my god. It's saying if the head position is equal to the food position, that means it's eating. Otherwise it's false. And then here, we keep that as it is. Let's see if that works. Object has no attribute screen. So it's pretty good at fixing the issues I feel, but there's a lot of issues that it has created, which is a bit annoying. Wait, where? Self.screen. There is a self.screen size. Self.screen Brit. Self.font.render. Green.fill. Maybe if we just hold on, let me just remove the self. Is what? We have screen here. Draw self.draw. Oh, we could go score. Render score. Where do we call that? In draw. Well, we can pass the screen there. Screen. And then here we can be like screen, I think. Yeah. Oh, we got score now. I wonder if it'll update when I get a food. Yeah. For some reason it updates by 2, but that's pretty cool. Awesome. So we got Claude to actually implement some code for us. It wasn't bug free. It had at least 3 bugs that we had to fix. And it also increments it by 2. But still pretty impressive. Like, I'm impressed. We got the score. We could change it to 1 easily. What else could we change? What else does a snake game do? That's about it. I'm pretty impressed by that. Or what else can we get? What else can we get Claude to do? Can we make a new? Oh, let's look at this interface. Okay, that's cool. I think this is how we make a new chat. Oh, I can see all the files here. Can it read an image? That's a good question. Let's feed it an image. What images do I have here? Here, this thumbnail I made. Let's see if it knows anything about that. Let's see if it knows anything about that thumbnail. Oh no, it can only do code and documents. Okay, so it looks like it can't do images. Mini Donut says change the color of the snake every time it eats. Okay, let's see. How can I change the color of the snake every time it eats food? In the snake class, add the snake color property, white by default. Okay. I hate how it pastes. And then we add these properties. Okay. And then when the snake eats in the game pie, I'm going to import random. And if it eats food, eat. We change the color. Oh my god. I hate this. I hate this indentation pasting. Wait. Oh no. And in the drawer for snake pie, Oh, I don't know what that does. Oh, we add the color. Wait, where is the draw? Okay, so we already have that surface. Oh, here, self.color. So it's always white in this, but now it's self.color. Okay, see if that works. Sweet, straight away without any bugs. And it changes color every time. That is so cool. Wow, I actually really like that. It looks so cool now. It's just a random color every time the snake gets eats a food. That's super cool. Should we try something really ballsy and do like add some AI snakes? That would be like too much. I don't know, let's try it. We won't implement it if it seems like too much, but we're like add how can I add other snakes, other non-playable snakes controlled by an algorithm to the game? Quart says, can it summarize large PDF files? Yeah, it should be. It should actually be the best thing to do that. Do you want to try that out? What's a good PDF file that we can try out? If you give me a suggestion for a PDF file, Quartz, I'll try that out for you. Okay, we can create AI snakes append, move the snake, draw the snake, some logic ideas. Give me code for movement logic for the AI snake. Damn, look at that. Can you make it so each time it eats food, the speed increases? Yeah. That's a good idea as well, Mini Donut. Should we try this? Damn, I need to like initialize a Git repository now. Let me just quickly do that. How do I do that? GitHub. New. What should we call it? Snake GPT? Snake GPT. Git init. Git add. Oh. Git commit. Init. Git remote add. Git branch main. Git remote add. Git push. All right, we got Snake GPT now. You can try it for random free PDF book. Okay. What's a free PDF book? Oh, actually, I don't think it. Fuck, what was that book called? Something about a casino. I think I had it in my notes. Give me a sec. I don't think it's a PDF. Oh yes, this is it, but it's not a PDF. A Casino Odyssey in cyberspace. It's also not that long. All right, I'll just Google free PDF book. Oh, here, the Master Key System. You guys heard of this book? It's quite big. Okay, here's a pro tip. If you're looking for PDFs on Google, you can go file type :PDF and then whatever. And then it should, oh, didn't work. It should only return file types of PDF. I don't know why it didn't. That's a bit annoying. To kill a mockingbird PDF. Is this it? Okay, this is huge, right? This is 285 pages. Let's see. Yo, technically web free. What's the task today? Right now I'm trying Claude. Claude is a new like chat GPT kind of thing, but apparently it has a context length of 100,000 tokens, which is huge. So you should be able to like upload big PDFs and stuff to it, and it'll be able to like take the whole thing into context. Yeah, so right now that's what we're doing. We're going to try this to kill a mockingbird PDF. It's like 200 pages long, and we're just going to ask it to summarize this. Text extraction failed. Okay, it doesn't like this PDF for some reason. Okay, did not like that PDF. Damn. That is a shame. Can I open it? I did not like that. Do I have any PDFs? Let's go type, MP3, JPEG, CSV, Chrome. Wait, okay, these are PDFs. I don't think I even have any interesting PDFs. Perhaps the image made it unhappy? Yeah, perhaps. Perhaps. Should we look at another one of these results? Maybe one of them's just text. Okay, this looks good. We'll try this one. This looks like it's just text. It is also 260 pages long. Let's see if that works. Mockingbird. PDF. Nope. That one didn't work either. Use a boring PDF. Yeah, I mean, I feel like that one should have worked. Long example PDF text. Let's see, a simple PDF file. No, this is too short. I don't know. Is there any online token counters? Maybe it's over the length still. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I'm more interested in this snake game anyway. So technically web free, we were asking, I uploaded these four Python files from the snake game that I got GPT Engineer to build, and then I've asked it to like do more features for me. I'm like, can we extend these files to render a score on the screen that increments every time snake eats food? And it was able to do that. And then Mini Donut suggested, can we change the color of the snake every time it eats food? And it was able to do that successfully. So now we have, now we have a snake game. I'll just play it here again, that has a score and increments the color of, or changes the color of the snake every time it eats food, which is super cool. And then I've asked it to see if we can add AI snakes. Like, how do I add non-playable snakes controlled by an algorithm to the game? And it's given me like a way we could do that. And it's full given the code for that snake as well. Um. So yeah, let's try this. I'm gonna try do the AI snakes, and then we'll do mini donut suggestion of increasing the speed every time it eats food. Yo, Mars back. Welcome back. Technically, Web3 says, could you make a reverse engineer? I need a doc writer. Yeah, definitely. You could probably do that with this. I can ask it. Well, actually, at the start, look, this is kind of what it does. I guess this is kind of a document as well. So the first question I asked it is, what do these Python files do together? And it kind of made docs. It's like, here, these are the files. This is how it works. In summary, this is what it does. So yeah, you could definitely upload your files to Claude and get it to write documentation for you. Obviously, it's still limited, but like it's probably the best, most biggest context AI that we have at the moment available to us. All right, let's try get these snakes working. Self.snakes equals nothing. Born snakes randomly. AI snake equals that. AI snakes append. Yeah. In the game update, move the snakes. In-game draw, render the snakes. Okay. And then they've made a whole new file called AI snake that we will add here. AI snake.py. I'll be really surprised if this works first go, but let's see what happens. Nope. AI snake is not defined. Did you mean snake? I guess. Wait, where was that error from? Game.py. I'm just gonna give Claude the error, see what it says. From snake import snake in this, and then in game.py we import AI snake. Okay. Oh, we also init in game.py AI snake equals AI snake. Oh, we already do that. We already do that. That's fine. Missing some arguments. Yo, Miles, Hack the Box Companies is tomorrow. Nice. Are you working on Hack the Box? Initial body in AI snake. What's the issue here? Inconsistent use of tabs and spaces. Yes, my bad. How can I fix that? I wish it would just work. Come on, just work. Why is this complaining, dude? Should it be tabs? No? Should it be spaces? Yes. Oh my god, really? I swear I haven't had that issue before. I'm obviously a Python noob. Oh, I feel like the super should be here. Alright. I mean, at least we got rid of those errors. Snake init. Huh. Snake.py. Initial body equals none. Direction equals up. If initial body is none, do that. Okay. Please work. Initial body reference before assignment. Tabs should work as long as it's indented properly. You have a shortcut to run AutoPep8. Dude, I just got that message. I closed it. How do I bring that back up? Problems? No. Or is it an extension? AutoPep8. So, because it's not compatible with my current VS Code. Isn't that great? Alright, what is this saying? Oh my god, so many changes. The issue is that initial body is first present here but not defined to the next line. To fix this, make sure initial body is referenced before referencing it. Oh, right, so this did need to be after. Oh, wait, I probably don't need that then. Direction is referenced before. Max width is not defined in AI snake. Max width. I don't know where I should be defining that and what it should be. Screen dimensions. Do we have it somewhere? It's probably already. No. Alright, we'll just put it at the top. Like it said. I'm just gonna hard code it. Well, not hard code completely, but pretty much. I feel like it's 500. I don't know. It might be an issue. Yo, we have an AI snake. Yo, let's go. It's not very smart, but it's a snake. Can it eat food? That's pretty cool. What happens if I run into it? Man, it's running away fast. Nothing. Nothing happens, but dude, still very cool. Very cool that Claude was able to make an AI snake. Now I think we can extend this to have many snakes as well. So I can be like I don't know how to do range. Is it like this? Range. 0 to 5. Can you do that? How do you do this? Python for loop 5 times. How do we do that, Claude? For I in range 5. Okay. I in range 5. Yes, thanks, Mar. Could we have 5 AIs now? Whoa! We just have one super fast AI. Why is that? I guess we only... Huh. I guess it doesn't spawn at 5 times. Of AI snakes dot append AI snake. Maybe we need to reinitiate this. Yeah, there we go. Wow, 5 AI snakes. That's cool. That is cool. We lost one of them. We lost 2 of them. They have no collision logic. It's still very cool though. I like it. Dude, this is fun. This is the future of programming. Shouts out Claude. Alright, I'm gonna push these changes. Git add, git commit, AI snakes. Sweet. That was really fun. Is there anything else Claude can do? Let's read this article. Now analyze API docs. Add a UI to pause and play. Yeah, we could. I want to try my code base. Let's see if we can extend mine. Like this was fine. This was small files. But if I go to timestamp genius, first I have to actually revert all the Aider commits. Let me just revert all of this shit. Or how do we... Oh, actually, there's a way to git revert all unpushed commits. This is only the most recent commit, but I guess we could run this a few times. See if this works. Did that work? Yeah, I think that removed 1. Yeah, remove 2. Remove 3. Remove 4. Okay, we're back. Yarn dev. Let's get this running locally. Boom. It didn't. Oh, git reset hard. Please run. No? Oh, yeah. Harn dev. Yarn dev. Okay. All right. Okay. So, yo, Michael Cousins on LinkedIn. Are you back in Oz? Yes, I am. Let's catch up, Michael. I hear you're a big shot now at your workplace. I should probably turn my VPN off on Chrome. Yeah, it was working. Cool. Okay. So, let's see. I'm gonna make a new Claude chat, and we're gonna upload some of these files that I want it to change, like dashboard. Oops. We should build something, yes, for sure. Let's grab a coffee and discuss. Timestamp genius. Pages. Pages? Yes. Oh, we also have a component. Components, dashboard, navbar, YouTube. Okay, I want these. And pages. Actually, we don't really need to upload these, do we? No. We'll upload index, but analyze these files and tell me when you're ready for instructions about them. Okay. I'm going to get it to, I want to make a loading spinner. That's what I asked Ada before. It didn't do a very good job. But actually, it would have been good if I copy and pasted it myself, which is what I'm going to do with Claude. But it tried to add it itself, so it wasn't very good. So essentially, what I want to do here in dashboard.js is add a loading spinner in between each line, kind of thing. What are the lines resulting timestamps? Add logic to dashboard.js to add a loading message while it's waiting for the response from generate. Okay, what's that endpoint called? Generate timestamps from the fetch calls or generate timestamp. Let's see if it figures that out. Here's how I would add the loading message. Inside on submit video, show loading state, loading timestamps, call the API, hide the loading state on response. That wasn't too good. But that's okay. Alright, I probably won't go further with that, but let's try. I'm gonna try again for a big PDF. Or a smaller PDF. What's a good? Oh, The Alchemist. Do we have a PDF on The Alchemist? This is like my favorite book. Oh, it has images. I feel like, is that an issue? Damn, this is quite long as well. We'll see if it works anyway. Let's see if I can upload The Alchemist. No. Really struggling with PDFs. I want to text only The Alchemist. It still might be too long. Oh, here we go. Okay, this is only 88 pages and it looks like it's only text. Let's try this. Come on. Yeah, okay. Summarize the events in this PDF in dot points. Let's go, Claude. Ooh, it's thinking about it. So this PDF is 88 pages long. It's quite long. But it's a short book. Like 88 pages is a short book, right? Here we go. Nice. A shepherd boy named Santiago has a recurring dream. Fortune teller tells him about his dream. He works for a crystal merchant. He meets the alchemist, makes it to the pyramids. The story ends with, wow, that's perfect. That's a good summary of the whole PDF. Okay, so I've read this book and I know that Santiago meets this lady named Fatima. So I'm gonna ask him, what is the name of the lady Santiago falls in love with? I don't know if falls in love with is the right term, but I think it would understand. Let's see if it figures it out. So it does take a while to think about this when it's a long thing. Like, it was pretty fast with the shorter context, but I guess with this huge context, it's actually taken quite a while, which is understandable. The Lady of Santiago falls in love with his Fatima. He meets her on an oasis while traveling across the desert to the pyramids. That's perfect. Excellent. So it seems like it actually can take the whole PDF into context. Super impressive. Claude AI. Yeah. I think I'm gonna wrap the stream up there, guys. I'd like to shout out everyone that watched. Thanks, User and Quartz, for the gifts. Everyone that's sent a comment. Mar, Technically Web3, Quartz, Lol, Amogus, Michael Cousins, Mini Donut, Nick. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the support. I will hopefully be streaming more, but I have been struggling a bit with jet lag and readjusting. But I think we're slowly getting over it, and hopefully next week I can increase the occurrence of streams, but we'll see how we go. Thanks, guys.